the result of a wonderful opportunity that we had on April 22nd, which was the golf tournament. It was the Steve McCarty Memorial Golf Tournament that we had on April 22nd, as I said. And it was the result of an awful lot of work. And I want to thank the sponsors, the golfers, the golf committee, the volunteers, everyone that pitched in that day, but especially our tournament chair, Liana Garcia Fresher, without whom it would never have happened. She not only pulled that off in 3 months, but she held the hands of 3 grieving people and made it possible for us. Thank you, Liana. It's with the proceeds of that tournament that this waterfall was made possible for all of us. And we're hoping that the waterfall, as it serves as a part of the healing garden of Southington Care Center, it is shared with all of the families here at the Care Center for time to come. The Care Center has meant a great deal to our family over the years. It started way back, actually, in 1993 as a business relationship, and that was when I met someone who today I count as one of my best friends, and that's Trish Walden. We met back then, we started a business relationship that continues today, and Trish, throughout the years, has lent her support to all of us and to my family as we began our healing process 11 months ago. Who would ever have known that in 2007, my mom would have been a resident here following a traumatic brain injury. And during that time, we had the good fortune of putting outside her room a pink flowering crab tree that is now one of the cornerstones of the healing garden and is over in that corner with a plaque with Steve's and my name on it. That was the beginning of the building of the healing garden. Later that year, as Christmas came, we were allowed to tether down a Christmas tree outside of her room that she shared with Marion Gifford. And we put that Christmas tree down, and we put ornaments all on it, and we put natural bird feeders on it, and all of the residents came to the windows with the help of the staff that give uncompromised care. And they watched us as we decorated the tree, and all the birds came to the tree. Well, that became a tradition that continues to this day. And as as we then adopted one of the trees on the premises, in 2013, Steve and I had the nurseries come and plant that Christmas tree right there. And there's a plaque outside that says, for all the Christmas trees to come. For all the Christmas seasons to come. And again, it was part of the healing process, part of, for all the families here within Southington Care Center. So as we start this fountain and have it be for all of us to share, we want to be able to have all of you be part of this for us today. Steve and I had the good fortune of traveling to Hawaii many, many times, to the outer island of Kauai. And on our very first trip, we decided to hike down the cliffs to go see the sea turtles. And though we jumped over the fence where the sign says, don't jump over the fence, but we've always been known for our adventures, we were going down this particular area, and he said, honey, I hear water running. And we hiked in, and there was this beautiful waterfall in the side of the cliff. And he said, my God, can you imagine anything more peaceful? So with every trip that we went back, we always, when we hiked down the cliffs to go see the turtles, we always took that little side venture over to see the waterfall. So when the day came that we were thinking of how we would honor Steve with the proceeds from the tournament, and I came to meet with Lisa Connolly and the whole team, and I was driving here, all of a sudden it came to me. There was no other way to honor Steve than with this waterfall. So today, we will turn on the waterfall and we'll honor Steve, but we'll also honor all of you, and this will continue with the healing process. The boys and I have found our own individual ways to heal, but we also share one way in that we all heal together, and that is we realize that Steve has never left us. He's here with us every single day. But perhaps the song that you're going to hear right now from Josh Groban says it best. Thank you.
For certain, maybe you're still here. I feel you all around me, your memory so clear. Deep in the stillness, I can hear you speak. You're still an inspiration. Can it be that you are and you are watching over me from above? Fly me up to where you are beyond a distant star. I wish upon tonight to see you smile, if only for a while to know you're there. A breath away is not far to where you are. Are you gently sleeping here inside my dream? And isn't faith believing all power can't be seen? As my heart holds you just one beat away, I cherish all you gave me every day. 'Cause you are mine forever, love, watching me from up above. And I believe that angels breathe